Line's a give-back organization. We are veteran-owned and operated. Started in 2012 out of my garage, and the initial objective was to do morale apparel for my military units, so spirit gear.
Their original concept was to print some shirts, help out a friend in need, raise some money, and that went crazy.
When they come home and the wounds subside, there's still a need for continued care and for advocacy.
That's what they do on a daily basis, is help veterans.
So we sell a wide gamut of products. So everything from t-shirts to outerwear, hats, a very large product offering. I would say prior to this facility, we operated out of essentially Connexes, kind of lined outside of our building. The efficiencies were non-existent. Last year, we were putting tarps on top of pallets, so we palletized outside in the rain as opposed to the racking system you see today. It's allowed us to actually manage our inventory. This year, we're able to receive the products that we need in a lead time that allows us the ability to get things out the door.
In addition to what we've added, we have increased our storage capacity to up to 1,100 pallets of storage, total pick faces, which is our carton flow, up to 6,000 SKUs in pick faces.
I'd say prior to having this racking system, the number of touch points was around 7. 7 times a box or box of materials had to be touched as opposed to 3. So much more efficient, much more time saving. You know, safety is obviously paramount, and the current racking systems allows us to have an incredible amount of storage without the potential of injuring someone. And that's as important as reducing the number of touch points.
We have gained organization. We have gained ample storage to get us to a level of growth that we feel is within our near future. We have increased lead times on orders being produced and out the door. Somebody can come back in behind that picker, stock in garments, doesn't change the flow of product going to the production floor, and the ease and ability to get in and out of the areas, whereas before we had no access.
Trying to do a scavenger hunt around my old facility to find a t-shirt or a box of shirts was painstaking, and a lot of man hours lost. So inventory accountability and having designated spaces for products is incredibly important.
Once we received the material to install, it took 3 days to completion to have all the pallet rack installed, being shown how to operate the pushback, operate the carton flow. There were no stalls or hiccups along the way from beginning to completion of the project. In my 30 years of experience, I've worked with contractors, subcontractors on various projects. This particular project for me was above and beyond what most contractors have been able to provide. They were here when they said they were going to be here. They worked with their employees to make the process flow. They worked around other things that were occurring at the same time because we were building the building while they were installing the product. They provided all of the support that was needed to get the product in the building, and it was one of the best experiences I've ever had with the contractor.
Working with Bastian was an incredible experience. I would definitely recommend you guys to any of my friends and counterparts, and I look forward to working with you guys again as we continue to grow.